Oh my gosh, am I doing an Elphaba cosplay? Why are you green? Ang random. Pero,
Hi friends! For tonight, let's do a skincare using these Skintific products. So at first, let's use their mask. So this is their mugwort mask. Ito siya. Wow! Ang kapal ito. So yeah, ganun siya karami. So, ganyan ko siya ilagay. I think nakaubos akong 2 or 3 nito before. Kasi I think gumagamit talaga ako nito gumagamit ako nito since 2023. On and off nga lang. Kasi syempre, busy. Tapos pag naubusan ako. What's good about this is that it cleanses your skin, it hydrates. I think ideally nga is for me once a week lang okay na. Yung iba gusto 2 to 3 times. Kaya rin naman yan, ganyan. And most of all, meron siyang niacinamide, salicylic acid, and centella. So, yun yung mga ingredients for and against acne and breakouts. Because it's been a rough week for all of us, so we deserve a time to have a self-care night or a skincare night, ganyan. Self-care is also skincare, so ayun.
okay friends, we're back. So around 15 minutes had already passed. So ngayon, let's wash this off. Oh my gosh, am I doing an Elphaba cosplay? Charot. But yeah, ayun. Why are you green? Ang random. Pero, okay, let's wash my face na, BRB. So, ayan friends, I'm back. So, I just washed my face. Water lang, wala nang cleanser or anything. And as you can see, ang fresh na natin dahil nakapag-reset na tayo. Reset!
Done with the serum and the eye cream. Now, let's proceed with the moisture gel. So, since gusto ko ma-address yung acne concerns ko, let's use this one. This is the 5% Panthenol Acne Calming Water Gel. Actually, na-try ko na to before. I think 2023 pa yung last ko na-try na to. And this is the product itself. Very gel-like siya. I think that's enough for the whole face. So, yan, rub, and gently massage. Ganon, atake. Di ba, relaxation na ito. Let's look at that skin first. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. He's glowing. He's literally glowing. So yeah, these are the 2 Skintific products I used tonight. So yun lang. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.